What up, everybody? So I just checked into my hotel room in Makati, staying at the 1898 hotel. Let me give you guys a room tour real quick. So got the door over there. Cool thing, they got the buttons so you could hit do not disturb, clean up the room, or please wait. Got plenty of storage. Storage up here. Storage up here. Got your hot water heater and glasses and everything. Complimentary water. Got your fridge down here. Pretty sure you gotta pay for that stuff. Oh yeah, they got the price list right here. And they got the closet with a save, some slippers. You can also do your laundry, get your laundry done and everything. Got your desk with menus, filling station. Get that ordered if you get hungry. Got the bed, feeling firm just the way I like it. Got your light switches and everything. Phone over there, outlets over there. I don't think I got too much of a view. Let's see what we got. Probably in the daytime you got a better view, but all these skyscrapers and everything kind of blocks it. TV. Look at the bathroom. Looking nice, looking nice. Got the shower and everything. Liking it, liking it. So that's the room. I'll try to give you guys a tour of the rest of the hotel tomorrow. So stay tuned. What up, everybody? So this is the 7th floor of the hotel. They got a spa and a gym. Let's go take a look at it real quick. Hey, how you doing? You okay playing on camera? Okay, thank you. I didn't put you on camera, but just in case you. Just want to show the gym. So this is the gym. I like this hotel. All this for $50 a night, at least when I booked it. And everything. Got everything you need up here. And this on the 7th floor of the hotel. And they got a spa right here. And here go the prices. Thank you. You have a good night. Let's go take a look at the pool. And here's a look at the pool. They also got a restaurant up here that's open like Tuesdays through Saturday. Got the 1898 pool. Nice seating up here. Got a little bit of a view. Just showing y'all some of the amenities of the hotel. But this hotel real nice. Highly recommended on my part. Now let's go take a look at the lounge area real quick. So this is the lounge area right real quick. They got a little bakery over there and everything. Got the reception desk. And they also got a restaurant further over in the corner, but it's real nice. So if you're ever in Makati, come check it out. The restaurant also got outdoor seating, like a balcony and everything.